All right, welcome back everyone. This is baking made easy with cupcakes. We want to decorate this beautifully chrome coated 9-inch cake. All right, so we have our buttercream here. So to make it easy and less stressful, which is easy, all you have to do is take your piping bag, insert your coupler into your piping bag. All right, once that is done, wrap the piping bags around your hand. Okay, open it wide and insert your buttercream into your piping bag. Now push out gradually because you don't want to stain your piping bag with buttercream. So you can add a little bit more of your buttercream. Alright, push it down and give it a twist. Now twist your piping bag so that the pressure can be just about okay for you to pipe. So here we go. We're going to pipe from here. Just let the turntable do its work. Alright, can you see that? Try as much as possible to close up on the space. Once you can close up on the space, the work becomes less for you when you're smoothing it out. Close up the space. Yep. Yeah, and then we can carry on. So just keep turning your turntable, tighten your piping bag and carry on. Tighten your piping bag. Close up any space you find, just a little there, and carry on. Now ensure you pipe all the way to the edge of the cake. That's very, very important. This lesson will teach you how to get a sharp edged cake. So we're doing the same process where we put in our piping bag, wrap it around your hand. Take your buttercream, insert your buttercream. Alright, shake it up, push out the leftover here. That air sound, you need to go out. And then let's take our top. So if you're left-handed, you can choose to go the opposite way, okay? There's no criteria to it. So for left-handed people, you can just do this. Okay? Well, I'm just going to go with my right hand. I'm right-handed. Permit me. Being left-handed is also a gift, you know? And they're very good at what they do. So just keep turning your turntable. Let the turntable do the work for you, okay? Don't stress your hand, don't stress yourself. Turn the turntable, let it do the work. Alright, so there we have it. Just go around the sides. One more time, fill up. Don't sit down when you're doing your buttercream. Okay, yeah, so that's nicely done. You can have a bowl of water close by. Okay, the bowl of water helps you to smoothen out your buttercream. So but I'll start with it. This is my buttercream cone. It comes in various styles and designs. Some come in plastic, some come in metal like this. and I will be using this metal one. I also love the plastic one, but should in case you don't have the plastic one, this is just appropriate. So this is our water close by, warm water preferably, but you can use ordinary water, it's all good and fine. So let's start with this. As you can see, I'm going to bend a little bit, and then I'll allow my turntable to do the work for me. Let the turntable do the work for you. Okay, now you go around about 3 to 4 times until you get it all smoothed out. If you have some holes in it, you could just pipe in more buttercream. Don't force it, okay? Especially when your holes are not close together, you might need to pipe in some extra buttercream just to fill up the space. Don't force it all out. All right, so we have the body, very smooth, right? Very easy as well. And then now we go for the top. So we're bringing this in and removing all excess buttercream that is attaching to our buttercream comb. Now once you do this, remember just what I told you. There's no need for you to force your buttercream. When you have spaces like this, can you see that? Yes, there's no need to force comb it. All you have to do is apply more butter icing there to fill up that space so it can be equal with every other part of the cake. So that's just what I'm going to do. Fill up there. Yep. Now we'll put our buttercream in our water and then just turn. Clean, turn. Now I'm going in circular motions. You can also go the reverse, you know, there's no principle to that. Just doing that in a circular motion. So yep. Now you can see this and see our edges. So we're just going to go with this for the edge. Go around the body about 2-3 times. Yep, clean that and just bring it in like the same way we did with the spatula in the previous video when we were concluding. Bring in, bring in, bring in, bring in. Just keep doing that all the way carefully. Now I am not doing this, no, I am doing this. Half of my comb on the cake and half of the comb outside. I am not tilting my hand. I am balancing my hand to be equal on the cake. So that helps you bring in and not smear the top of your cake, and as well give it a nice leveling. So every part of your cake is equal. All right, so we just go around. Aha. So just one more time to get your beautiful sharp edge top there, and bring in just a little more gradually. All right, clean your board. Yeah, hope you love that. Very easy, not stressful. You can see our sharp edge. Voila, no stress. I hope you can get this. I look forward to your videos. I look forward to your examples. I look forward to your samples. Okay, so this is very easy. It's not stressful. Very stressless process using your piping bag and your buttercream comb. Now sit back and enjoy while we do our buttercream palette knife patterns.